Hello, welcome back to Limited Insight. It's episode 7 of the Granny Annex build and week 9 of work on site. It's mainly roof work this week and it's really starting to take shape. So out of all the weeks worked on site so far, this week the most work has been carried out over 5 days. It's usually 3 or 4 day weeks, as our contractors fit other projects in around our main project. So as you might expect, decent progress was made. So Monday, and despite being another bank holiday, work continued on the roof structure to get it ready for tiling. There's quite a bit of work involved, a lot of cutting and bolting together of beams. There wasn't any sort of kit involved, it was literally just long lengths of wood assembled together and cut to size afterwards. I don't know much about roofs, but it does look to be a decent job thus far. A waterproof membrane is nailed to the structure before any tiles go on. Once all of this membrane is in place, no more water will be let through into the building, so we'll be able to keep the interior nice and dry. Inside the building it's starting to feel a little more homely now. The ceiling height is the standard 2.4 metres, but on a small property like this it really feels quite high. Many annexes and garden rooms are only built to 2.1 metres, I think usually to get around permitted development issues, but I'm feeling really happy with the interior space here. It's great to see it'll be perfectly proportioned after our initial concerns that it would feel a bit too small. I guess it's early days so far as we don't have any internal walls yet, but I am hopeful. So Tuesday came and the tiling started. At this point all tiles were still out on the front, so a third man was drafted in to cart all 3,000 tiles to the annex site. As mentioned last episode, these had to be carried by hand and there are a lot of them. Surface wise, the roof spans a greater space than the average 3-bed terraced house. Only half of the tiles made it up there today and steady progress was made on the tiling itself. Wednesday was a day off, so back in on Thursday, and the second half of the tiles were carted up to site and more tiling was completed. The progress seemed a little slower as I had to cut a lot of tiles due to the amount of edges on the roof. They use a circular saw and cool the disc with water. No work was carried out on Friday either, but a specialist roofer was in over the weekend to speed up progress. This is actually the brother of the main contractor and he's much more efficient at the roofing, but only available over the weekends due to other commitments, so he does a really good job, knows his stuff and produces quality work. A lot of progress was made on Saturday and the front portion of the roof is now close to being finished. Sunday comes round and the membrane is finally added to the back portion of the roof and tiling starts on this as well. The largest portion of the roof this is, so once complete they'll need to add the finishing tiles to the peaks of the roof, so this should be done next week. So that's it for this one. Not an awful lot happening this week in terms of variation, pretty much just roof stuff, but it is quite a big portion of the job I'm finding. I'd say if anything the roof is taking as long to complete as the walls were to build up, so it is not just a case of slapping the roof on, it is quite a big job. Building a roof from scratch, fitting all the timbers in, membranes, tiling, it's quite a lot of work. And it has been incredibly hot over the past couple of weeks here as well, so I have not envied them at all. Sat on that roof tiling, but hey ho. So I'll be back next week with episode 8 and all the progress from week 10 of the build. If you recall, I initially said that this should take 10 to 12 weeks, so next week we'll probably discuss timeline as well, because 2 weeks left and as you can see not really very close to being finished, so we'll discuss what has happened really, why it's going to take longer than initially anticipated, and just run through really what's left to do. So I'll see you then. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.